Hello and welcome to the AI Business Builders community. If we haven't met yet, my name is Monica and I run this super cool community. Now, we are a bunch of no-coders who are building multi-six-figure businesses, and we are fully dedicated to have an enormous success. Some of our members have started seeing results within the first few weeks after they've joined. One of my members, she knew absolutely nothing about AI when she joined, and right now I think she's on her third client by now, and she's only been around for less than 3 months. So it is absolutely possible, but of course you have to put in the work. So let me take a couple of minutes and show you around and show you how our community works. So once you sign in, as usual, you will land on the community tab up here and you will see the feed. Our community is pretty engaged, very active. Everybody is super helpful and everybody is working towards the same goal, basically making money with AI. Now, you probably all know about the pin posts, which are usually the new things that are coming into the classroom. I usually pin all the trainings. As you can see, there's a new automation, there's a new training. I also pin all the successes people have. And but what I wanted to show you is the biggest bonus you're getting when you're part of this community. So if you click on any post anywhere, you will see, actually, if I click, you will see that I have this green button that says Saves Posts. Now, this is my proprietary Chrome extension that allows active members of our community to be able to save posts from any school community, not just from mine, any school community, and save it into your own database. And there's a lot that you can do with that database. You can use these posts as inspiration, to curate them, to follow up. Lots and lots of possibilities with saving school posts. So probably by now, or within the first 24 hours after you sign up, you will get your license key. And then you will also be able, like, there will be a link in the email, but if you also come in the resources in the classroom, you will see the whole walkthrough of exactly how to set it up step by step and all the resources you will need. If you do not receive your license key, make sure that you message me and say, hey, Monica, I did not receive my license key. Super important, because otherwise you won't be able to run your school post saver extension. Okay, now let's have a look at the rest of the classroom. You will see we've got the 14-day to launch. So once you acquire the skills that you need, because you need to acquire some essential skills. No, you do not need to learn how to code or anything, but you do need to understand and be able to build automations or build custom GPTs, or even being able to create the prompts that will allow the AI that you're using, whether it's ChatGPT or Claude or whatever else you're using, to write code for you if you're creating ads. So there are some essential skills, but they're not hard to achieve. And almost every single tutorial will get you closer to your goal. Okay, so once you're ready to launch an offer, I have a 14-day blueprint that is step by step. Do this one task every single day and you'll be able to launch on day 14 or day 15. And then we have a big module here that goes over business growth strategies, and I'm constantly adding to it. I'm trying to give you as much information that you can use on how to get leads, how to get traffic, how to make sales, and so forth. And everything underneath is about acquiring skills or access to all my blueprints and templates. As you can see, you can run prompt engineering, building GPTs. Then you get access to my templates, the GPT templates that are just copy and paste. Basically, one of our members is doing this. He's copying and pasting and selling them on Etsy. And I think he actually commented on one of my ads that he's made 300 sales so far. We have the Make Classroom, and I'm going to teach you how to build automations, and then you can get every single blueprint that I ever produce. I'm also going to teach you how to build Chrome extensions. That is super, super cool. And you will see the the school post saver is a Chrome extension that AI wrote the whole code for me. I did absolutely nothing. I did some troubleshooting with AI for the things that weren't working. And within 3 days, I had a fully working Chrome extension, which is excellent. I'm going to teach you how to build some tools and apps with AI that you can make into little SaaS products. I'm going to teach you how to build AI agents. And of course, we do have masterclasses. At the moment, they're just once a month, but the more our community grows, the more often these masterclasses will get. And these masterclasses are not with me, they are with other experts, because I want you to learn from people that have different skills from me. And then we have the tech help library, the resources, and so forth. You will also start opening some more access to me as you go through the levels. This is it for the classroom. I also wanted to just very quickly show you the calendar. Now, the calendar, we have twice weekly business growth calls. Depending on where you are, you will see the days and times in your personal time zone. I'm in Australia, so for me, it is showing me in Australian time. But if you are in, say, North America or Europe, so you'll see for me, this is a Tuesday. For you, it will be a Monday. The next one is on Friday, 5 a.m. for me, but for you, it could be Thursday evening if you're in Europe, or Thursday afternoon if you're in the States. And then every Friday or every Thursday, if you are in the Northern Hemisphere, after our business growth, we have an onboarding call. So if you are brand new, make sure that you come to one of those calls, because I can help you with navigation of the classroom. I can point you in the right direction, or we can make some plans. Like, you can share where you are, what you want to do. And everybody in here is different. Some people are building agencies, some people are building freelance businesses, some people are building little SaaS products, and they want to create a semi-passive income with subscription. So everyone is different. Everyone is selling something different. And this will be a great time for us to actually talk about your own plans and maybe strategize something. So this is basically it. As I said, go through everything. In the Start Here module, you will see the pathways that will, like, if you don't want to come to the onboarding call, you will still have a chance to find your way around it, because I have the pathways that will show you where to go and what to do, if you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. So that's it. Basically, I hope to see you mingling with all of us in the community. And as I said, make sure, if you do not receive your license key for the School Post Saver extension within 24 hours, because it usually sends within 24 hours, make sure that you ping me or send me a message and say, hey, Monica, I have not received it. I'll see you in the community.